Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to make salad broccoli updated. Start by rinsing broccoli under cold water, then pat it dry and trim florets to about 1 inch. Use both crowns and tender stems for texture variety. Keep everything uniform so dressing clings evenly. I'll walk you through blanching times, cooling tricks, and flavor combos that brighten the salad without overpowering the broccoli. Blanch the broccoli briefly to lock in color and leave a pleasant crunch, then plunge it into an ice bath to halt cooking instantly. Drain and dry very well so the dressing won't get diluted. These small steps make a big difference in texture and flavor. I'll explain exact timing for tender stems, how to test doneness, and why patience during cooling yields a restaurant-quality salad every time. Quick recommendation: if you're heading to a market with fresh broccoli, keep your car smelling fresh with a Little Trees Black Ice air freshener for a pleasant ride home. If this video is helping you, please subscribe and like so I can make more simple recipes you enjoy. I've placed the product link and other deals in the description for easy find, and now let's get back to the video. Choose a dressing that complements, not overpowers, the broccoli. A lemon vinaigrette or light yogurt dressing works great. Fold in crunchy elements like toasted almonds or sunflower seeds and a sprinkle of Parmesan for savory depth. Taste and adjust salt, pepper, and acidity to balance flavors. I'll suggest quick herb additions and make-ahead tips so your salad stays vibrant and fresh for lunches and gatherings.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.